In today's video, I'll show you how to install the RealityV graphics mod in GTA 5 Enhanced with a simple guide. Check my video description for these three download links. Once you download done, right click on script to P and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Drag and drop all these files inside a game folder. Once done, go back and open this open or PF. Drag and drop this ASI inside of a game folder. And then open this RealityV. Open the folder. Open this method A and B. Drag and drop this mods folder inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once done, close stuff here and launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.